Realme's latest smartphone called Realme 14 Pro is now official in India, and it is slightly downgraded version of the Realme 14 Pro Plus smartphone, with quite similar design. Now let's have a look at the specifications of the Realme 14 Pro smartphone. The Realme 14 Pro features a tall 6.77-inch Full HD Plus OLED display, with up to 120 Hz refresh rate, and up to 4500 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Energy chipset, paired with Mali G615MC2 GPU. The smartphone packs with 8 or 12 GB of RAM, that can be extended up to 14 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256 GB of onboard storage. As per the optics, the Realme 14 Pro sports a dual camera setup on the rear, that includes a 50-megapixel main camera, with Sony's IMX882 sensor, along with the monochrome sensor, with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it has 16-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.4 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 6000 mAh battery, with 45 watts SuperVOOC fast charging support, and it runs on Android 15 out of the box, with Realme UI 6.0 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 162.8 by 74.9 by 7.6 millimeters, and it weighs around 179 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Realme 14 Pro has been priced in India for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 24,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at 26,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in pearl white, Jaipur pink, and suede gray color options. So, what do you guys think of this Realme 14 Pro 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.